So guys, on this beautiful day, I decided to pack my bags and go on a vacation. Yes guys, what is this life? Life is finding something that makes you happy, something that strengthens you, something that makes you look forward to another day, another life, another fight, another battle to win. So that is part of life, to grow. And all this can only be found when you come or when you strengthen yourself. So guys, you need to find something, be it a safari, be it a football, be it anything that you love doing. Go look for it and enjoy this beautiful life. So to watch all these 4 vlogs, kindly click on the description box and watch it till the end, and watch this video till the end. Hello guys, how are you? This is Susan. I'm very tired today. I had a long walk, so I just want to go and walk at the beach area. So I want to tag you along so you can go with me. If you're new here, kindly hit the subscribe button, and remember guys to subscribe. So let's go to that side. We are going to the ocean. I'm just going to have a walk. So guys, let's go walk together at the beach. It's now 6 p.m. so let's take a good walk. And this vlog I will not do too much, but just walk around. So this time I will use this side, and then tomorrow morning I will use the other side. So let's go guys and enjoy this walk with Princess Susan. We are always taught to focus on big important goals in life, but if we want to be happy, we must also pay attention to our personal innermost dream. Going to the beach can be an important goal in the path towards a happy life. The sea has a calming and soothing effect to our souls, even though we don't always recognize its power. In the sound of the waves and their endless movement, we find a special type of peace. If you come with a group, you can play football or soccer ball or netball, whatever you desire. You can just form something at the beach and get to enjoy the games while watching the ocean. Oh goodness. Doggy doggy. Huyu ni pesa ngapi? Pesa ngapi? Hiyo si pesa nyingi. So guys, if you want to do camel ride, they are charging 1,000 Kenyan shillings. So let's go to the hotel. Good morning, how are you? It's another beautiful day that the Lord has made, and we will rejoice and be glad in it. 6 a.m. in the morning, and I want to go for a morning walk. So let's go. So beautiful here, sunrise. We tend to forget that some of our core needs are connected with nature's gift. To be happy, we need sun and fresh air, as we also need hope and adventure. When we live in nature, we are healthy and at peace, guys. Live in the sunshine, swim the sea, drink the wild air. The sunrise, guys. Look at that, guys. So beautiful. The sunrise make it look beautiful. I'm here at Bamburi Beach, so I'm just having a morning walk. Oh goodness, oh goodness, the view of the boats and the sunrise and the sunrise, oh, makes it look wonderful, guys. Oh, shallah, shallah. So guys, let's go back to the hotel. What a wonderful, beautiful walk I've had today. Oh, did you see the sunrise, guys? I really enjoyed it. Oh, look at that, guys. Oh, I love this place.